It's me again. What am I doing? I'm kind of walking around my garage here. I'm I've done a little paint job on my set. I started a here. I'll go this way. I started working on this thing a while back, and if you probably know, I haven't done a video on it in a while because everything kind of got put on hold. So what I did is I gave it a quick spray job because before I choked to death from paint fumes. Open the door, let some air. I've been waiting for a nice night to paint it outside. It's cold out, it's damp, whatever, rain, whatever, probably be sleet and snow next. So I decided just to paint it in here. I'm pretty much, that side's fresh air, this side's pretty much a giant space to get high. Like I said, I'm not worried about a perfect paint job. It looks okay. I try not to do overkill on paint anymore because I learned my lesson with runny paint so many times. Yeah, I'm all sweaty. So I'm just doing, what is it? Town and Country Tractor Red. I think this is, I don't know if it's Ford Red or Massey Ferguson Red. I don't care, as long as it's red. I think it says on the cap. This is Ford Red. See? So I've been doing Ford Red paint jobs on this thing, and I'm gonna wait a couple of days, let the paint cure. I'll paint the other side. I will probably grind off some of the, because inside of here on the back there's a little bit of like rust forming. I painted this too, it's galvanized. I gotta clean off the end, but I just gave it a quick paint job. It's basically the world's shittiest paint job. But I'm gonna paint the front, spin around, paint the back, paint the front, paint the back. Do it at least 2 or 3 times. And then I will, after that's done, I will put the window back on. Oh, the doors are already done. So the doors should be able to go on. And then I got to take it off the stand, put the wheels on it, and the tub needs work. So I'm going to work on the tub, and I got to buy a few. I'm thinking of making, I looked online. It's like a suction tube where basically I think the air goes in and sucks it out of a tube. It's connected from the bottom. This way, I keep thinking it's over there, but the bottom piece here where the cone comes down, if you've seen my last videos, it needs a lot of work. So I'm going to work on the bottom. I think I have the sheet metal. I'll make a square box, put a probably some cast iron pipe with a tube, and then with another tube so the air can like basically suck the sand out of it instead of just gravity feeding and sucking it from the bottom. The air will just come from the bottom. I also, if you looked in my video, I have a switch for it, and I'm probably going to get a new light to connect to it, and that should be the end of it. And I'm going to get on wheels so I can wheel it over to the new shop whenever the hell that's ready. So stay tuned. I spared you the expensive, what do you call it, showing you how to use a spray can, because I'm pretty sure 99.9% of you have used a rattle can before. So anyway, and to make a long story short, I sprayed this red. Do you want to see up close? No. If you probably zoom in, you could probably see how terrible the job I did, but I don't care. It's a sandblasting box. It's not a 1939 Chevy rat rod. Oh, well, that would probably be covered in rust and patina. So anyway, you know what I'm talking about. But I forgot to add, I also got the some more of the riv nuts to put in here, and I'm going to replace all these with riv nuts so I can just screw it on there, because I have all the pieces. I thought the rubber gloves, I don't know if you've seen the other video, I thought the rubber gloves were ruined. The gloves are still good, so I don't need replacing gloves, and I just got to figure out how to put it back together. So thanks for watching, toodles, and stay tuned. I'll show you the rest. I'll show you the finished product soon. Thanks for watching.